Before we start, click the link in the description below to grab the AppSumo lifetime deal for Branalyzer. Go on, I'll wait. Caught my competitor stealing my best keywords. Here's how I found out. I was losing traffic for weeks and couldn't figure out why until I stumbled upon Branalyzer on AppSumo. Click the link in the description below for a special lifetime deal that'll save you hundreds compared to those pricey monthly subscriptions. This all-in-one brand analysis tool is a proper game changer for marketers and small businesses. Branalyzer gives you the full picture of what your competitors are up to, their traffic, keywords, backlinks, social media performance, the lot. I was gobsmacked when I saw my competitor had pinched my top-performing keywords and was outranking me. Unlike SEMrush or Ahrefs that'll cost you over £100 monthly, Branalyzer offers a one-off payment for lifetime access. Brilliant for us smaller businesses watching the pennies, isn't it? The dashboard's dead easy to use, even if you're not tech-savvy. You can run bulk analysis on multiple competitors at once, hunt for quality backlinks, and track keywords that actually matter. The Chrome extension lets you analyze sites while you browse. Proper handy. My favorite bit? The white label reports. Perfect for impressing clients without them knowing your secret weapon. And with a 4.8 out of 5 rating from nearly 300 users, I'm clearly not the only one chuffed with it. Don't miss out on this lifetime deal. Click the link below to get your special AppSumo discount today. Your competitors won't know what hit them. Click the link in the description to grab the lifetime deal. Go on, get ahead for once.